Companies that own or manage real estate are known as real estate stocks. Real estate investment trusts, a unique class of publicly traded businesses that own real estate, are included in this category. In this video, we are going to be talking about the top 10 stocks to buy and hold in the real estate sector. Let's get into it. Number 10, SBA Communications Corporation. A REIT that invests in wireless communication infrastructure is called SBA Communications. Its operations are primarily focused on creating and renting out wireless communication sites, assisting cellular carriers in expanding and improving the coverage of their networks. The firm controlled 32,923 towers as of the year 2020, the majority of which were large buildings. With its corporate headquarters in Boca Raton, Florida, SBA primarily operates in the Americas. The company partners with local sociologists to manage its relationships with local communities as part of its efforts to prioritize community engagement in the nations where it conducts business. It also works with local operators in these countries to make sure that its projects help the communities where it works in a real way. Number 9, Digital Realty Trust, Inc. Digital Realty Trust acts as a real estate investment trust that provides data center, co-location, and connectivity solutions. It works with the artificial intelligence, AI, networks, cloud, digital media, mobile, financial services, healthcare, and gaming industries. A REIT called Digital Realty Trust offers cloud-based business solutions and owns and manages carrier-neutral data centers. Digital Realty was established in 2004 and offers co-location and peering services to clients all around the world. The corporation has over 290 data centers spread across 26 nations and 6 continents. One of the company's main goals is to reduce its environmental impact, especially through using energy as efficiently as possible. In order to do this, it has built more green facilities than any other company in its sector and has managed to completely rely on wind energy for its U.S. co-location services. Number 8, WELLTOWER, Inc. WELLTOWER, Inc. invests in operators of senior housing, post-acute providers, and healthcare systems in addition to providing healthcare infrastructure. Seniors housing operating, triple net, and outpatient medical are its 3 main divisions. The senior housing communities are a part of the seniors housing operating division. The triple net segment provides long-term care facilities, assisted living facilities, retirement communities with independent living and continuing care, care homes in the United Kingdom, independent support living facilities in Canada, care homes with nursing in the United Kingdom, and combinations of these. The segment of outpatient medical offers outpatient medical facilities. The business was started in 1970 by Fritz Wolf and Bruce G. Thompson, and it has its headquarters in Toledo, Ohio. Number 7, Realty Income Corporation. Realty Income is a retail real estate investment trust, REIT, that owns, develops, and operates single-tenant properties in the U.S. According to Elliott, Realty Income is possibly more resilient to a U.S. recession than its peers since it is more protected from potential slowdowns in consumer spending. Elliott further notes that Realty has a track record of maintaining high occupancy rates and increasing dividends despite economic downturns. Last but not least, the recent acquisition of Varied Inc. by the REIT increases its economies of scale while lowering its exposure to theater assets now held by the fund. O stock, which closed at $68.98 on July 8, has a buy rating from CFRA with a $76 price objective. Number 6, Public Storage. The largest owner of self-storage facilities in the United States is Public Storage. Elliott claims that the business is in a good position to benefit from rising trends in the self-storage sector since it has a broad, high-quality portfolio of assets. Until at least the end of 2022, he predicts that demand will continue to exceed supply, maintaining favorable pricing dynamics. Elliott claims that Public Storage may increase rental fees by a percentage in the mid to high teens while still maintaining occupancy levels that are almost record-breaking. He also claims that Public Storage has the potential to make more acquisitions. A buy rating and $380 price target are assigned by CFRA to PSA shares, which in July ended at $315.83. Number 5, Simon Property Group, Inc. The Simon Property Group is a real estate investment trust, REIT, that owns, manages, and develops retail assets that include shopping, dining, and entertainment. With sites across North America, Europe, and Asia, this corporation is one of the largest owners and operators of these kinds of enterprises in the entire world. It also has locations in Europe. SPG is not only the company that operates the most shopping malls in the United States, but it also owns and manages luxury outlet and lifestyle centers in addition to its foreign real estate projects. The company has more than 23,274 specialty store locations. As a result, they make $60 billion in sales in the United States every year from more than 3 billion customers. Number 4. EQUINIX Inc. The biggest operator of data centers in the world is EQUINIX, a specialist rate. According to Elliott, EQUINIX has little rivalry, room for site development, and a high level of long-term profit visibility. According to him, EQUINIX stands out thanks to its cloud-based global platform, varied infrastructure, and preferred partner status with some of the biggest technological firms. Additionally, Elliott claims that EQUINIX's recent $320 million purchase of Maine will allow it to expand its geographic reach into Africa. In 2022 and 2023, he expects revenue to climb by 8% and 9%, respectively. As per making of this video, the EQUINIX stock, which ended in July trading at $650.52, has a buy rating from CFRA and at $845 price objective as per making of this video. Number 3. Crown Castle International. Crown Castle International is a real estate investment trust that owns, operates, and leases more than 40,000 cell towers and 80,000 route miles of fiber. The company also provides services through a variety of business models, some of which are privately owned and others of which are operated in partnership with local governments or other partners. Additionally, the infrastructure of the corporation supports over 110,000 small cells and offers fiber connectivity solutions to every major market in the United States. The company has set itself the objective of reducing its impact on the environment by developing a model of shared infrastructure that will cut down on the total number of towers, small cell networks, fiber connections, and data centers that are required to provide service to users. Because of this reduction in infrastructure, there will also be less of a burden placed on other resources, such as water and electricity. Number 2. PROLOGIS. An industrial rate with a focus on logistics real estate is called PROLOGIS. According to analyst Michael Elliott, PROLOGIS benefits from high demand in areas where it can be very challenging for rivals to get zoning permissions. Given the lack of available land in these important markets, Elliott claims that PROLOGIS properties can sustain $28 billion in development, making the rate a special investment opportunity. He claims that worries about slowing e-commerce growth are exaggerated and that PROLOGIS should continue to enjoy a favorable pricing environment. Elliott anticipates revenue growth of between 8% and 10% in 2022. PLD stock, which ended July 8 trading at $121, has a strong buy rating from CFRA and a $125 price objective as per making of this video. Number 1. American Tower Corporation. American Tower Corporation is a real estate investment trust that was established in 1995. The company owns, operates, and develops wireless and broadcast communications, including more than 221,000 communication sites, of which 43,000 are located across the United States and Canada. The organization has 5,600 workers spread out over 22 different nations. In addition to the importance placed on communication in this organization, American Tower Corporation places a strong emphasis on both environmentally responsible business practices and fair treatment of employees in the workplace. As of the year 2020, they had accomplished both their objective of installing solar panels at over 5,000 communications locations and achieving 54% of their target to reduce diesel-related greenhouse emissions by 60% by the year 2027. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed and were able to get something from this video, please do like, share, comment your reactions, thoughts, and suggestions in the comment section below. And subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated of what's more in store for you. See you next time.